Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer. A truly unbelievable property set on a beautiful 2 acres of land backing up to conservation land is 138 Miacomet Road. Just down the beach is Miacomet Beach. You have your pool, cabana, and an unbelievably beautiful updated home. Let's go check out this Nantucket gem. The backyard at 138 Miacomet is an oasis in and in itself. You got your garden over here, your patio with outdoor television, your pool, and oh yeah, here's your guest house. I'm Jonathan Russell with Columbus & Over Group. Reach out to me for more information.